In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the dark mode with just one click on your Comodo Dragon browser. Let's get it started. To enable or disable the dark mode on your Comodo Dragon browser, first, open Comodo Dragon Browser and then into the search type Chrome Store. Then open the Chrome Store. Then into the Chrome Store search type dark mode. Then find and open this dark mode extension. Once you open the dark mode extension, tap on Add to Chrome. Now the dark mode extension is added to your Comodo Dragon browser. Now on the Comodo Dragon browser, open the Extensions tab. Then find the dark mode extension and tap on the pin. Now you have the dark mode button on your Comodo Dragon browser. And you can enable or disable the dark mode on every single page on Comodo Dragon browser while you surf. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.